Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to try to get Crusty put back together. But first I gotta go get the Green Goblin inspected. Hopefully it passes. My tire's a little bit worn on the outside here. I need alignment too. So I'm gonna try to get it inspected, and if it passes, if I ain't gotta do nothing, maybe we can go get it aligned too. One day I would like to lower this thing, but all my money's going towards old Crusty, so I'm not made of money. So one project at a time. Alright guys, I'm just now picking up my truck. It took them like 4.5 hours to inspect my truck. I wasn't very happy about that, but anyways, it passed, so I'm not going to have time to go get it aligned, so I'm headed back home now. And my son's going to bring his Corvette over. I think we're going to tinker on it a little bit. He's having problems with his throttle position sensor. So we're gonna take a look at that when we get back. So see y'all when we get there. Took y'all a long time. I guess the truck's faster than the Corvette.
Oh no. No. Talking crazy. Gotta go for a little
There's
trip.
Nyla. What you doing? Alright, we're trying to take this throttle body off here. Trying to clean it, but it most likely needs a throttle position sensor, which is the whole throttle body. It's all fun and games until you gotta do Corvette stuff.
Show them how you gotta bend to get on there.
This is how you
Arch your back, stick your butt out.
I need my New Balances on. Test drive the Corvette.
Oh, it is.
No, I feel really big in this thing. Like my head's touching the roof.
It is not a tall person friendly.
Yeah, my knees is in the dash.
It does feel better, a little more responsive.
If I can drive it. Kind of big. Oh, these pedals are tight too.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Probably get me missing gears and all kinds of stuff. I ain't drove a manual in a while.
It's a... I can't remember which clutch, but it's definitely not a stock clutch. Gotta have you bucking.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started on Crusty here. So we're going to start by getting these leaf springs put back together. Alright guys, we got them back together. I got the bushings and the hangers on the back here. We left the bushings out of the front because obviously by now, by the thumbnail, you already know that we got some Caltrac bars, and it comes with these metal bushings that we got to put in the front. So we're going to try to get those installed right now. Get that bushing pressed in there. I believe it's aluminum, but if anybody works on their own vehicles, I would highly recommend getting yourself a ball joint press and a good 1/2-inch impact. Those things are a lifesaver. I don't know how many times they come in handy for me. They make hard jobs like this a lot easier. It would have took me probably 2 hours to beat that in with a hammer, and that thing took probably 2 minutes. Alright guys, I got this other bushing pushed in this leaf spring. It was a lot easier. I guess the eye on this spring here is out of shape or something, so I had to use that ball joint tool to press it in. This one I just smacked a couple times with the hammer and went on in there. So I don't know what's up with that, but anyways, we got it done. I gotta get my grinder out and cut these pins off. These are new pins and they're a little long there, so we gotta cut them off, and then we can put these back in the truck. Alright guys, we got the gas tank back in and the wiring for the tail lights, and I'm working on the fuel lines now, and I got the feed line in. Here's the return line. This is the one I had a leak on. You can see that fitting is kind of messed up there, so my plan is to just cut this end off as close as I can with my little tool here, and just use one side of this fitting because the one on this side is good, so hopefully I can just use the new bushing and the nut off of this one on this here, and hopefully that'll work. Alright, we're ready to put these Caltracs on. So this thing shows in the instructions, it slides over there. Here, can you hold it?
I reckon.
Slides over there. And now I need a little pen. I'm unprepared.
If you need it.
I gotta put this jizz on it.
What's it called? Ceramic lube?
It says brake and clutch lubricant.
Purple too. That's lavender.
Yeah. There you go. Alright, I just got my flip kit bracket back on there. It's just kind of sitting there. So now we can install these. These are from the Caltrax bars. And they just go just like the other plate. Goes down there and put your U-bolts in. Alright guys, I got my bottom plates on and all tight on both sides. I got my shocks back on. Everything's pretty much back together. We just gotta put these bars on now. And to go ahead and take the bolt off the back one there. It's right here. We gotta thread it on this bar. We gotta thread that one on there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them both threaded in here real quick. Alright guys, I got the bar on there. I got it even on both ends. So now we're gonna get this back in here, get the bolt in it, and then we'll try to adjust it from there. Alright, got the bar back on there. Now we can just turn this bar until that comes down almost to the leaf springs. Get a gap under there, just a small gap for now. It says to adjust it with the full weight of the car, and obviously I don't have the bed on, so we'll have to adjust it later on, but that's where I'm going to put it for now until we get the bed and stuff on. So now I just got to tighten down my lock bolts here, one there, one back here.
Sloppy straight through cam, man. Need to put, I want to put hazard boots on here because I ain't got no fucking boots for the cam, man.
Yeah.
Cam fucking arm and shit out. Which one of the little toys?
Yep. Shit's nice, sir.
All my shit like you doing this one now. For real.
That was a cool C10. If y'all want to check out more of his truck, check out his channel. It's Stephen Jones. I'll try to put a link in the description. But we got the Caltrax on, and yeah, got it all back together. So I'm pretty much done for today. So I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.